I saw on Viraj Sheth's story, the co-founder of Monk Entertainment,
Yeah.
Viraj, तो उसने एक लिखा था कि it is the decade of the creators,
Yeah.
and the reason he did it was because Samay Raina and Tanmay Bhatt went into Kaun Banega Crorepati,
exactly.
and
It's crazy.
like after that, I think all the youngsters, Gen Zs जो भी हो गए इंडिया के, I mean they were talking about KBC. मतलब मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स है या मेरे जनरेशन के लोग हैं, like I mean we don't watch KBC a lot, मतलब हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा नहीं देखते, बट ये एपिसोड के बाद लाइक ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग कि यार वो केबीसी का एपिसोड देखा गया, दैट वाज अ वेरी स्मार्ट मूव इज व्हाट आई फील. मतलब
My prediction,
just
even if they don't disclose the numbers, this will be the most watched episode of KBC.
I agree.
100%.
yeah,
Because आप लोगों का generation is the bulk of this country right now. And you're right, they don't watch KBC. So master stroke on their part to bring in influencers. And I wouldn't be surprised कि Sony Live पे कोई टीवी पे नहीं देखेगा, but Sony Live पे this will be the most watched episode of KBC.
when are we seeing Ankur Warikoo on KBC?
I have no idea. I've come as a guest on KBC Junior twice. तो जो क्या होता है अपनी लाइफलाइन होती है ना, उसमें एक गेस्ट वाला जो एक्सपर्ट जो होता है उस पे मैं आया हूँ, मुझे बहुत मजा आया है. सो इट्स वंडरफुल टू सी मिस्टर बच्चन इन एक्शन, क्योंकि यू हैव टू बी देयर फॉर देयर एंटायर 3 hour शूट, उस 30 मिनट के एपिसोड के लिए, 1 घंटे के एपिसोड के लिए. But no, he interacts with the crowd so lovingly. He's just so warm. I shared thoughts of mine. He also, like, he's very inquisitive. ये virtually था by the way, क्योंकि जो expert होते हैं वो virtually बैठते हैं. तो वो मेरे background को देख रहे थे, and he was like, आपके background में ये क्या है, ये क्यों है ऐसा. And it's just so magical that at his age he's just so humble, and at his level he's just so full of gratitude and full of joy that he brings to others. बहुत मजा आया था.
तो
But I have no idea if I will be. Like, it'll be more than me. I think it'll be my mom's dream come true, because she's a die-hard fan of who he is as a person, not as an actor as much. But I would love to do it for my parents one day.
वेरी वेरी स्वीट. एंड आप जब गए थे तो लाइक एज एन एक्सपर्ट तो आप कुछ पूछा होगा ना आपसे फिर, लाइक सवाल वो सब
हाँ
हुआ होगा.
तो इट वाज केबीसी जूनियर. तो बच्चों ने वो किया था, दे asked my help, and thankfully I knew the answers to the question. तो embarrassing नहीं था, but it was as I said, real good fun.
Yeah. No. YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.